Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk hair. Hold on, let me just turn this a little bit. There we go. Okay. So I switched wigs. As you can see, I've gone back to my side part with the big curls. And when I put this wig on, I kind of transformed into a different person, right? Which made me want to do this video. I'm not sure if I did a video like this already, but we're gonna do this one anyways, and it's going to be titled Hair Theory, the type of hair that attracts certain men, certain hairstyles, right? Now, whenever I wear a wig like this, I call this my old money hairstyle. When it's a side part with the big curls, whether it's a wig or a weave or anything in between, clip-ins, and it's styled in this direction, I always attract older money men, right? Men who give sugar daddy, men who are retired, men who travel for fun and don't have to worry about kids, right? Men whose kids are significantly older, men who prefer to have girlfriends at a certain age difference, right? The older men love this hairstyle, the soft side part, like it's giving, yeah, it's giving like just luxury. Okay, now whenever I wear my hair in a middle part, pretty much, you know, longer, and then with the old money looks too, they do prefer shorter hairstyles. So this right here is the longest I would pretty much go, right? The longer it is, the younger men you're going to attract. So this right here, if you like long hair like me, this is the shortest I would go. Like short hair on me, it's cute, but yeah, but definitely in a side part. Now, if you want to attract younger money making men, then it would be definitely long with a middle part, right? And again, it could be a wig, it could be a weave, either or. This is going to attract the men, the new money men, right? The men who wear labels all over. Like you see them, you're like, okay, you just got money. That type of man, right? The type of man who wears every single necklace in their collection, every single bracelet, and every single ring, and is Gucci hat, Gucci shirt, Gucci belt, Gucci pants, Gucci shoes, Gucci socks, Gucci everything. The new money men. That's what the middle part always attracts for me. Now, if you want to attract someone who's like grand rising, empress, queen, you know, all these things, that type of like the more holistic, the more earthly type of man, then it's going to be your faux locks, it's going to be your Marley twist, it's going to be your box braids, while you still can attract different type of men with literally any hairstyle, right? This one in particular, that's a type, that's the majority of what you're going to attract. Because at the end of the day, because I do have friends who have locks and they do attract a bunch of different type of guys, but this is what the majority, this is what it comes down to. And from my own personal experience, whenever I wear my faux locks or my Marley twists, butterfly locks, whatever, box braids, rope twists, I always get more of the empress, grand rising, earthly, sound bath, weed head type of guys, right? So all of this I'm telling you is from personal experience. Yes, you can attract any single type of man with any single type of hairstyle, but the main ones, this is what it's going to be. So if that's your goal, to attract that, that's what you're going to get. Because again, I do have friends who have locks, and again, like some of the most gorgeous women in the world, right? And they are going to get, and they do get catcalled and spoken to, and they do attract the old money men, the new money men, and the grand rising men. But on the top of the list, it's going to be that type. My natural hair friends, that's the top of the You know, that's who they attract most of than my wig wearing friends, if that makes sense to you. Okay, there's also this there's also this stereotype of the black women who don't really know how to style their natural hair. They attract the white men. I do want to say that what has been the hairstyle that has attracted white men to me? I think the side parts as well. I think the white boys like the side part on me. I think so. I think so. Oh my gosh. And then I was having this conversation with this girl earlier today where it's like, I'm at the age now where my nails have to always be done. My toes have to always be done. My hair has to always be done. Either my skin has to look good or my makeup has to look good. I am now 34. I consider myself a middle-aged woman. I feel like at my big age, certain things there's no excuse for. If I don't have my nails done, they look proper. They look clean and you know, there's no chipped polish. While yes, I'm not gonna hold you, there are some times where a nail or two is broken and I just cut off everything, or you know, a nail is chipped or whatever, but I never let it go past 1 or 2 days, because right after that they're getting soaked off and they're getting done, because you're an adult now. You need to start acting like it and you need to start looking like it. That's true. I just wanted to throw that in there. Like, I cannot be walking around and not, you know, yeah. So it's very important for me, or was important for me to learn how to do my hair, to learn how to do my nails if I didn't want somebody to do it for me, or if I didn't have the time to sit down in somebody's salon or somebody's chair to figure it out. That's why YouTube is here to help us to learn how to do our hair, or heels. To learn how to do our hair properly, to learn how to do our makeup properly. And you don't have to do a full glam every single day. For me, this is a basic everyday makeup look. This is a very basic everyday makeup look. Like, there's nothing crazy special about it. It's just brows, lashes, foundation, highlights. And when I say highlights, I mean under eye concealer, powder, and contour. There's nothing crazy about it. If I'm going out on a date, this is pretty much the look as well. Like a very everyday simple beat. I'll throw on a lipstick, a lip gloss. I might do blush. I might do a shimmer highlight on my cheekbone. And that's only if I'm going out. I feel like we're at the age now where we just need to, where the switch should go off in our heads. We're like, all right, it's time to grow up. But yeah, the point of the video is this. Different hairstyles are going to attract a different type of man. Depending on the type of man you want to attract, you just do your hair them ways there. And like I said before, you can attract whatever you want, however you want to, you know, present yourself. But this is what I've noticed for myself. A side part, a softer look is going to 100% guarantee me receiving more looks, more conversations, more everything from the older men, the old money men, the adults, the more professional type of man. Whereas if I have long middle part, like the hairstyle I just had last week, I am going to attract the new money men, the younger men, his homeboys, like that's what that attracts. And then if I ever do my full locks or Marley twist, my DMs and comment section is always Grand Rising Empress. I'm walking on the streets and I promise you every Rasta man is going to stop and tell me how gorgeous I look. And I actually get the most compliments when my hair is in my Marley twist or faux locks. Like, hands down, I get the most compliments. The wigs, they're cute. And the women, love me in wigs. They're like, oh my gosh, your hair looks so good. I wish I could do that. Can you tell me how you did it? Da 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 da. The women love the wigs. The men love the more natural hairstyles. The men love the more natural hairstyles. So when they're on social media and they're talking about, oh, we're tired of the wigs, oh, we want to see your real hair, they're not lying. They are not lying. The only thing is they want it to look good. So if you're wearing a weave, like look at Lori Harvey. Her hairstyles are always natural looking. Even if she has in clip-in extensions or a weave or whatever, it always looks like it's her real hair. And the men go crazy because they actually do prefer a natural looking look. Like I'll do like super long lashes and the men will be like, what is that on your face? I mean, no, I'm lying. They'll never ever say that to me because I'm gorgeous regardless. But I do get more compliments from men when I have on shorts or more natural looking lashes. Lashes, yes, lashes are a must for me. You're not going to catch me without lashes if I have my makeup done. But yeah, I get more compliments with the shorts or lashes. So instead of a 25 millimeter, it would be a 20 or an 18 millimeter or something like that. Right? Right. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say, because this morning when I curled my hair, I was like, oh, girl, it's giving wife. It's giving trophy. It's giving, oh, we're going to play tennis at the country club. It's giving, you know, yeah. But that's how that's. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any experience in this, whenever you change your hairstyle, comment down below and let me know what your experience was like. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you try any of these tips, let me know. All right. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.